Yes.
Yes!
Thank
Oh,
you.
and okay.
It saved 3.
Dad, no, aim it at Bubby. Bubby, aim it at Bubby.
Yes, sir.
Herbert.
This is little me. I was born and raised in Cincinnati. I was always a very energetic kid, which made it difficult for me to really slow down and learn how to improve my reading skills. My mother wanted to enhance my literacy skills so I didn't fall behind my other classmates. She decided to take me to tutoring outside of school. She thought it would be great to get the outside help. I was really excited. Just a ride in the car, but I didn't know that I was actually going to see a tutor to enhance my reading and writing skills. I decided to go into the first session open-minded and noticed some improvement after just one session. At the very end, I got a dum-dum and a pat on the head. This really motivated me. I had a reading assignment in class and I got to pick my own book, so I picked The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. I started reading it with my tutor. She made me feel confident and really understand the text. I started to read faster, understand the text, and thoroughly enjoy reading. As I left for the last time from tutoring, my tutor gave me some of the best advice that I still use today. Don't judge a book by its cover, whether it's a person or a book. I ended up finishing other Dr. Seuss books and went on to read bigger novels. It was an overall great experience that I would never take back.